So welcome back, guys. We are back again with the results of our Nasdaq or US100 or US Tech buy trade. So guys, as you can see from the previous clips, the real account, actual trades taken, and this is the breakdown of the reasons as to why we ended the trade. I explained it earlier, but I'm going to modify it more here. So fast as far, I don't want to waste your time. Let's get into it. So in the 4-hour time frame, this is where I do my analysis from. 4-hour time frame, yeah. So I do my charting and everything from. So as you can see, guys, we have a key level here, key level there, yeah. It was resistance before it turned into support, yeah. And I have there's a video explaining that why these turn. But as for now, let's go with that. So basically, as we saw, for me is that when price kept on bouncing from this area, so when price kept on bouncing from this area, of course we expect that when price comes back here again, we expect sells. But we look at what price did when it came back here, yeah. Came back here, respected it, and that was pushed to the downside. This just turned and obliterated our resistance, yeah. It broke through our key level, turning it into support. And what we do, if on support, we buy. So what I did is that I wait for the break and retest. I'm a break and retest trader. So break and retest of the key level, yeah. Then I wait for price to create a level. When price creates a level, I wait for it to leave and come back and retest that level, giving us a double bottom. So as you guys have noticed, the double bottom is my favorite price action pattern. So I ended the trade right away, but I didn't end it on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is basically to get the overall view of the trend, or the overall view of the market. It's clear. It's a time frame whereby you cannot get manipulated by the brokers, guys. There's a trade you cannot be manipulated, yeah. And it's a trade whereby if you base your trend, your key levels, your major runs from, you will see a big difference in your trading, yeah. And I think also I have many videos explaining this in my homepage. So let's go on to the 1-hour time frame and see what's there. So 1-hour time frame makes it more clear. 1-hour time frame, this is where we came and check the behavior of the market. This way we clarify the 4 hours on the 4-hour time frame. So price broke, giving us a bullish sentiment, yeah. For that buyers and control, came back for the retest. Price created a level, respected that level. That's the most important thing, guys. Price must create a level and respect that level before you enter any trade, yeah. Yes, you will miss some trades, because some trades will just break, retest once and go to the upside, yeah. But of course, you're not going to be catching each and every trade. As I explained in one of my videos, I said on each and every pair you only have a maximum of 3 trades. 3 trades that will do 100 pips, yeah. And you just have to be patient for the 3 trades. And if you catch all of them, you're catching over 300 pips minimum per week on one pair. It's better than trading 5 times or 10 times, 20 times. Some guys may take 10 trades per day. It is better than taking 15 trades, then losing 10 and winning 5, and then again you're only making 50 pips and you've lost the rest. It's better to take 3 trades on a given pair or indices and get all the 300 pips, yeah, plus your lot sizes. That's a good amount. So price creates a level, respects that level. When price respects this level here, you could have taken your first trade there, but what I did, I wanted to confirm that this is a strong level. Don't just enter. I went down to my 50 minutes time frame, now to my 15 minutes time frame. Then I made sure that, so you guys see, that's the consolidation, right? So I made sure that the 15 minutes time frame, the trend on the 15 minutes time frame was in line with the trend on the 1 hour time frame and the trend on the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, I just placed my buy stop above the key level because of the 15 minutes time frame. Though the 1 hour time frame had given us a goal that it is time to buy, but the 15 minutes time frame was still consolidating. And as I told you guys, you don't want to enter your trade in a consolidation. Always wait for price to break out of the consolidation. That's why I put my buy stop above, and look at where we're triggered in right there, and look at what the price did. No drawdown, we just went straight into take profit. Yeah. So whenever there's a consolidation, price can break out on either side. Yeah, that's why I use buy orders or sell orders. For this case, buy order. Yeah, for this case, it's a buy order. So guys, that's the breakdown of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below for the algorithm, and that actually motivates me to keep on making more videos like this, guys. See you guys in another breakdown that is coming soon. See you guys in another breakdown. If you got any value from this, let me know down in the comment section. And if you want to see more breakdowns like this, let me still know down in the comment section. Otherwise, inshallah, may God bless you. Have a nice week, have a nice weekend, have a nice evening, nice morning, good night, good morning, greetings, all of you. Top tier Forex kids, I'm out, baby. I'm out.